Late night story time. So initially I had planned to make the L24 and H24 low and high pass filter pedals, but also the N48. This is the prototype, which is a 48 decibels per octave or 8th order notch filter. I decided to dig this out of my cupboard and give it a proper frequency response analysis. As you can see, the bandwidth is immensely narrow and the attenuation is quite impressive, almost down to 40 decibels. This varies depending on the frequency. There appears to be this double dip. Maybe I would have ironed this out if I'd worked on it a bit more. I used the Analog Devices LTC 1068 chip for this, which is a switched capacitor filter. Whereas if you were doing a more sensible notch filter, you would use op amps in a more typical configuration like a Twin T. The biggest problems with it were, first of all, the signal to noise ratio was just a bit rubbish, and secondly, if you're trying to get rid of mains hum, 50 or 60 cycle hum, then you're not just dealing with the fundamental, you're often dealing with the harmonics of that, so 100, 200 and so forth hertz. If you can get rid of the fundamental, that's not going to solve your problem. But it was a fun little project. Maybe sometime I can dig even further back into my checkered past and show you the 8-stage phaser I came up with.